Google's been working on organizing the world's information and making it super accessible and useful for over 26 years. In 2024, they really kicked things up a notch with AI, doing stuff that we used to only see in science fiction movies. Today, we're going to explore 10 of the most impactful AI-driven product launches. These aren't just incremental updates, they represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology, from content creation to daily task management, and they're all powered by Google's commitment to innovation. Get ready to witness the AI frontier with Google leading the charge. Let's start with the awesome new stuff in video creation. Google DeepMind has this amazing new video generation model called VO2, and it's blowing everyone's minds. This isn't just about making any old video, it's about understanding all the little things that make a video look amazing, the angles, the lighting, the effects, all that cool stuff that makes a video really grab your attention. I remember back in college when I was trying to create a short film with my friends. Getting the camera angles right and making sure the lighting was perfect took us hours, and even then, it wasn't quite right. Now with VO2, you can specify a lens, suggest cinematic effects, and it delivers high quality videos at resolutions up to 4K. Think of specifying a 35mm lens on Kodak Portra 400 film to get a golden textured look, or a low-angled tracking shot that glides through the middle of a scene to create dynamic visual narratives. It really understands the language of film. Look at this example. A perfect cube rotating in a soft, foggy void. Its surface shifting between various hyper-realistic textures. The detail, the smooth transitions, it's incredible. So we've moved on from real videos to virtual worlds now, and we have Genie 2, a massive foundation world model. This model can create tons of playable 3D environments that you can control and interact with. Think of it as a playground for AI, where we can create any world imaginable, all from a single prompt image. It's like having a fully equipped game development studio at your fingertips. I've always been fascinated by how games blend creativity and technology, creating immersive experiences that challenge and inspire us. Genie 2 was trained on a large video dataset and can simulate the consequences of any action within these created worlds. So you could have a humanoid robot exploring ancient Egypt, or a first-person view of a robot on a purple planet, all built on a single image. This capability could help train and test embodied agents within the game, like environments, which is an exciting direction for AI research. Next, creative expression with images, where we have a new game-changing tool, Whisk. A new experiment from Google Labs that lets you remix ideas using images as prompts. Instead of relying on lengthy text prompts, Whisk allows you to input images for a subject, scene, and style to generate something completely new. I find the process incredibly fun and intuitive. It combines the power of Google's latest image generation model, Imagen 3, with Gemini's visual understanding capabilities to create this remix. Gemini automatically writes detailed captions for the images you provide, and those captions are then used by Imagen 3 to create an entirely new image. This could revolutionize how we create digital content in the future. Alright, let's check out how AI assistants are evolving, especially with this new thing called Project Astra. It's still in the research stage, but it gives us a glimpse into what future AI assistants could be capable of. Pretty exciting stuff. What sets Project Astra apart is its ability to have real-time natural conversations, remembering key details from past interactions, as well as up to 10 minutes of the current session. It can process both speech and video input to understand its environment. It can also use Google Search, Maps, and Lens to provide informed answers. It is like having a digital companion that can understand you and the world around you, helping with all sorts of tasks. For example, one of the testers, Ash, welcomed Project Astra into her home to talk about outfits, pickles, and even to translate conversations with her mom. And they are now starting to bring that to glasses, making it a hands-free experience. Get ready to have your mind blown by Android XR, the latest operating system created specifically for headsets and glasses. It's going to completely change how we interact with tech. This groundbreaking platform takes reality to a whole new level by providing endless opportunities to explore, connect, and create. Developed in collaboration with Samsung and Qualcomm, Android XR combines years of investment in AI, AR, and VR. This isn't just about porting existing apps onto new devices, it is about creating immersive and helpful experiences that fundamentally change how we interact with technology. Imagine watching YouTube on a virtual big screen, exploring the world with Google Maps, soaring above cities and landmarks with immersive view. And with the AI power of Gemini, these devices will be able to understand your intent, making interactions more natural and conversational. Alright, let's check out our everyday devices, especially the latest Pixel Drop features for Pixel phones, tablets, and other stuff. This December Pixel Drop has new ways to use the power of Gemini. Gemini is now smarter, learning your preferences and offering personalized responses with the new Saved Info feature. You can ask Gemini to remember your dietary restrictions and it'll provide you vegetarian recipes without any reminders. And it's not just about remembering things, it's also about taking action. You can control smart home devices directly through Gemini, ask for information about places and maps, and it can now call your contacts or businesses too. Call screen gets smarter with Gemini Nano, which can suggest contextual replies to unknown callers. Pixel screenshots automatically categorize your screenshots, and expressive captions uses AI to automatically capture the emotions in a speaker's voice. There's also a new feature to reduce background noise, making your audio clearer when you're recording. It truly enhances your everyday experience on Pixel devices. Notebook LM is a game changer for anyone who needs to make sense of complicated information. Upload your sources and it'll make you an instant expert, giving you answers that are based on your stuff. It's a powerful way to transform information, synthesizing it and making it understandable. I remember during my research for my master's degree, struggling to make sense of all the academic papers I had to read. I wish I had access to a tool like this back then. Now, with the latest update, you can customize audio overviews, guiding the AI host to focus on specific topics or adjust the expertise level to suit your audience. It allows you to listen to these audio overviews while you work with the tool, and the upcoming Notebook LM Business will offer enhanced features for organizations, ensuring data privacy and security. This tool is really changing how we approach research and learning. Okay, now let's check out the coolest part of Google's AI advancements with Gemini 2.0, most powerful model ever. It's a huge step forward in understanding different types of information, like images, audio, and text. Gemini 2.0 Flash is now available to developers and trusted testers, with plans for wider availability soon. It comes with improved latency, which means faster response times, and it can also call tools like Google Search. I've been following the development of AI for years, and the potential of Gemini 2.0 is genuinely remarkable. It also powers a new feature called Deep Research, which acts as a research assistant, exploring complex topics and compiling reports on your behalf. For developers, Google has Jules, an experimental AI-powered code agent that integrates directly into a GitHub workflow. Jules can tackle coding issues, develop a plan, and execute it all under the developer's direction and supervision. I remember coding long nights in my early development days, struggling with bugs. I really wish that Jules was around then. Jules can create comprehensive, multi-step plans to address coding issues, modify multiple files, and even prepares pull requests. This tool is really changing how developers work by letting them offload time-consuming tasks so they can focus on more creative aspects of coding. Let's wrap things up by checking out how Google's using AI to understand and predict what's happening around us with GenCast. It's one of Google's AI-powered weather tools that are getting better at predicting rain, wildfires, floods, and extreme heat. These models are already being used on Google Search and Maps, providing more accurate forecasts for users. GenCast also works in partnership with weather agencies to enhance their forecasting, showing that AI and human experts are combining their efforts to better understand our climate. Understanding weather patterns is critical, especially with the rise of extreme weather events, and it's inspiring to see AI being used to improve our preparedness. Google AI has had a killer year in 2024. From awesome video and 3D world generation to super helpful AI assistants and code agents, Google has launched 10 amazing products. These aren't just tech upgrades, they're changing how we interact with the digital world and setting the stage for even more innovation. Google's pushing AI limits, and we can't wait to see what they come up with next. Most importantly, they're committed to building this tech responsibly, like with safety and security as top priorities. If you're as excited about the future of AI as we are, make sure to subscribe to Google AI with Sam for more updates and insights.